everyone, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. Today I've got a nice special video for you guys. You know, it's summertime, so everybody wants to have some nice glossy clean skin. Today I have a special surprise for you, you know, to show you something nice that you can do to have a nice polished clean skin for summer. So I would like to thank you as well for your support, for your love to this channel. We do appreciate all your love, all your support. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's jump on the video and then I'll share with you some nice 3 special secrets to have some nice glossy summer skin with exfoliating. Love you, bye. Yeah guys, the surprises are here. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can exfoliate yourself to get a nice clean polished skin. So I've got 3 types of exfoliating here. So all of this exfoliating is for all type skin, but before I start I'm gonna break down so some of you knows what exfoliating does, some of you don't know. So let me try to explain to those who don't know what exfoliating does. Exfoliating your skin is very nice because exfoliating your skin, it helps you to remove dead skin. So it helps you like physically to remove all the dead cell and then to just make your skin behave younger and nice. You know, we have our first layer of our skin, which is the epidermis. So we need to exfoliate our skin to get rid of all the dead skin. That's why we exfoliate our skin, because sometimes, you know, our skin shades. After some time our skin shades, so we need exfoliating to get rid of all of those shades of the skin, so to have some nice clean skin, baby skin, younger skin. So the first exfoliating I'll be sharing with you is this one. So they made it with organ and carrot scrub cream. This exfoliating is very good, beautiful for all skin types. So it gives you a nice clean surface, like, you know, trust me, you'll be having this nice baby skin for summer. So that is the first one is here. So it's the organ and the carrot scrub cream. It's very wow. So if you need one of them, don't hesitate, just drop us a message there or a comment. We just know how to get you one. So the next one is here is the apricot scrub cream. For you guys, this apricot scrub is very nice. It gives you a nice fresh and radiant skin is there. So the apricot one, so because some of people, so they react with carrot, they are sensitive to the carrot. So if you cannot do with carrot, so we've got the apricot one here. So very nice and beautiful. It gives you some nice clean glossy skin, babe. You need a nice skin. You need to get, if you don't exfoliate your skin, honestly try to do it. You see a big difference, you know, like on your skin will be behaving younger, your skin will be looking nice and radiant, your skin will be looking wow, you know. Try it, you'll love it. So the last one is here. So it's the Arabica coffee and cocoa butter cream scrub. This exfoliating is just a wow. So if you cannot do with apricot or carrot, so you can go with this one, Arabica coffee. The coffee one is amazing. I've seen like all over YouTube some people doing their own coffee scrub, so it's better, I think. So sometimes, you know, for like just something quick, you can just try to do something home for you, but it's best to go for something which is like dermatologically tested, so which is good. They know like how many coffee they put here, how many different ingredients, how many oil they will put, you know, everything is measured just for your own safety, for your own clean nice skin. Yes guys, so that was the 3 exfoliating I wanted to share with you. I've got here the first one was the organ and carrot, the second one is the apricot, and then the last one is the Arabica coffee. That was the 3 exfoliating I wanted to share with you. They are here, darling. Please, if you don't exfoliate yourself, guys, get on this habit of exfoliating your skin. It's really nice, and then it's gonna help you to give you some nice glossy clean baby skin. You're gonna have a nice skin, nice surface. You know, sometimes you complain that you use some product, you use some cream, it doesn't work on your skin. It's not gonna work because the skin is dirty, the skin is shady. So you need to get rid of that shade in order for you to have a nice clean skin. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for your time. We do appreciate you. Get exfoliate your skin, guys. You know, you can use any kind of exfoliating. You can use even the avocado one, so the cucumber, any kind of exfoliating, you feel comfortable with it. But if you want one of those that I showed you, please don't hesitate to leave us a message down below so we know how to get you one. Thank you so much. We appreciate your love, we appreciate your time. So please continue to subscribing, continue to liking this video, share. Don't keep it for yourself. Sharing is caring. Keep, you know, sharing, subscribing. We love you so much. If you feel like you know how to exfoliate your skin, but maybe you might have like your sister, your cousin, just your relative that doesn't do it, so you can help us, you know, share this video with them, so we appreciate it. Until our next one, bye.